So page 5 is 104 digits. So we're going to do 401 to 504 of page 5. 33057270 36575959 19530921 86117381 93261179 31051185 48074462 37996274 95673518 85752724 89 75 2793 8183 0119 4912 9833. I'm going to need to check that, but we'll do that in the video while I'm editing. So tomorrow, page 6, the other half of this batch of 200 digits. So that was 104 digits. So tomorrow is the next 96 on page 6. And remember, you can get my book on Amazon. Just search for Slice of Pie with my name and you can get it there. God, that was not cool where the footballs went all over the place, but I didn't drop them, so that would have counted. Somehow I need to speed up because these are going to take quite a long time if it takes me that long to do roughly 100 digits. But yeah, grab the book if you want to learn how to do it too, and I will try to keep going until we get to the end of the month.